Is it recording? Is the red light blinking? Good.
Third floor, 3 to 5 p.m. Study hall, third floor.
Study hall on the third floor. That means you and you, but not me. Not me. Goodbye. Goodbye. Bye-bye.
Well, think about the word faucet, but with a hard C.
Oh my God.
Perfect timing.
Perfect timing. Perfect timing, everyone.
See you guys later.
Goodbye. Goodbye.
Is that new? Lester, is that new?
Not the camera, but the...
Yeah, but the head mount.
I've had it, I just haven't used it because it looks ridiculous.
Well, you look ridiculous normally.
Yeah, that's true. So why not lean into it, you know?
Well, it's a little bit rainy. Yeah.
Hey, it's waterproof, theoretically.
It's not lightning proof though.
That is true. That is true. Okay. Let's find a bike. My phone is still connected to the Wi-Fi. It shouldn't be. I'm far enough away. There we go. Okay. Oh, there's a bike over here. You know what? I don't have an umbrella. But while I was home over summer, I did buy a rain jacket. How's that for fun? Oh, by the way, it is Monday, September 1st at 3:15 p.m. It is 27 degrees outside. It is about to start raining, so it's like 100% humidity. There should be a bike like right over here, and not one of those blue ones. I want a real cacao bike as I try to put on my rain jacket. Let's see if this will work. Ooh, here's a bike right here. Okay. Oh yeah. Okay. Do.
카카오키 바이크 안전운행하세요.
Nice. 안녕하세요. I know, he's smiling at me because I look ridiculous. I get it. But whatever. These brakes are too good. My back almost slid out when I skid. When I braked here, the back tire slid around. Okay, all right. Okay, all right. Okay. Maybe you can see it's raining just a little bit, not a whole lot. Hey, ducks. Oh, look, the guy's feeding the ducks. I should do that too. I've got some old croissants that I need to, like, I've been saving. I was gonna crush them up and throw them out to the ducks. I'm hoping on this head-mounted view that you can get a better look at the river down here. Because it's a nice little river. Nice and peaceful. There's a bunch of like rocks you can use to cross the stream here. Not many bike paths across the stream, but a lot of like these little rocky crossings. Lots of ducks. Oh, seems like it's starting to rain a little bit more. I don't know if you'll be able to see it, but a lot of times down here there's some really big koi fish. Doesn't look like you can see much today because the sun's not very bright. Oh, there's some down in there. But the big old koi fish. I thought they were catfish at first, but they don't have the whiskers. Bright sky over in that direction, huh? Oh man, it's coming down now. Good thing I put on my rain jacket. Whoa. Okay, let's get across. All right. Oof. Well, thanks for bearing with me on this rainy ride.